Multiple. You need to take out the multiple. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
remember this point. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. It is unlimited. आप लोग multiples 9 के लेना है तो 9 into 9 से start करके आप 9 into 1000, 10,000, lakhs, crores कितना वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं, इसलिए इन लोग इसे बोलते हैं इनफाइनाइट. बट इन केस ऑफ फैक्टर्स इट वाज विद फाइनाइट और इनफाइनाइट. इन केस ऑफ फैक्टर्स
Finite.
फाइनाइट.
It is limited.
नाउ
Limited
एग्जाम
है.
में अगर आता है, या एग्जाम में अगर आता है तो रिमेंबर द ट्रिक, F फॉर फैक्टर, F फॉर फाइनाइट. ओके. एंड रिमेंबर मुंबई इंडियंस, यू नो मुंबई इंडियंस टीम, IPL टीम.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
या डू यू नो जसप्रीत बुमराह?
Ah, yes.
Yes.
Let's say the fastest bowler.
Yeah, but
Yes,
my favorite.
sir.
My favorite is Rohit Sharma. So remember M for multiple, M for multiple, I for
Infinite.
that is known as Mumbai Indians because they never give up easily. Okay, till here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
first solve first part of the exercise. Then okay. Now first question is 24. What is the first question?
24.
24.
24. Okay. Now first take out the factors of 24. First is 1 into 24.
Yes.
Second is 2 into 24.
2 to 12. 2 to 12. 3 into 8.
3 into 8.
4 into 6.
4 into
4
6.
into 6. 6 into
6 into
6
Six
into
into
4.
4. 6
Sir.
into 4.
Sir, 8 threes are.
ठीक है.
8
Now
3.
अगर जैसे ही जो नंबर है उसका अगर रिवर्स आना स्टार्ट हो गया तो स्टॉप टिल देयर. एनी नंबर इज देयर, अगर उसका रिवर्स आता है तो वहां पे स्टॉप कर देना. सो व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दैट?
Yes.
1,
1,
2,
24, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24.
4, 6, 4, 6, 8,
8,
12,
6,
24.
12.
You need to write this reason also. Okay, that since 4 and 6 have occurred earlier, therefore what are the factors? Factors क्या
1, 2, 3, 4,
1,
6,
2,
8,
3, 4,
12, 24.
24, 12, 8, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8,
8,
12
12,
and 24.
24.
Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, go for question number 2. 3, 21. First, before
Sir, 1.
1 into 21.
1 into 21.
1 into 21, 3 into 7.
1 into
That's-
21, 3
Sir,
into 7.
1, 3,
7
7.
into
7
3.
into 3. Stop
7.
here.
Okay, stop here. Because which numbers are repeated?
Sir, 21 also.
Seven.
Sir, 21 also.
Yeah,
21 itself.
stop here. Since 7, 3 and 7
Are
have
repeated.
occurred, are repeated, or you can say are repeated.
So your magic pen is working very nice.
Thank you so much. 50 lakhs ka beta. What are the factors?
1, 3, 7, 21.
21.
Only 4
1, 3.
factors.
1, 3, 7, 21.
Okay. So let's have a competition between boys and girls. If boys win, then I'll give you a Mercedes. If girls win, then I'll give you BMW. But it depends on my salary. Okay, when it will come.
Sir, please give them Lamborghini.
Okay. Come on, boys. Be ready for the question, boys. Girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the condition is no one will answer. It with the answer will be put it in the chat box. Ready?
Your voice is cracking.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lamborghini, BMW.
Sir.
Okay. For girls, it is question number D. So it is for the boys. And for the girls, it is question number EI. That is 36. Start. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want in fraction parts. I just want 4 and 47. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6. Yeah, very good. Chahat. Chahat was the boy who gave the answer. Chahat, are you a girl or a boy? Tell me first.
She's a girl.
Acha, Chahat is a girl. Okay, because I was having a friend who was a boy. That's why. So sorry. Okay. Boys won the
Yes,
race.
sir.
They got 10 points. Next question. Next question. Should I solve it? Should I solve it?
So can you tell the page number?
Page number. I'll tell you.
She joined now. That.
Okay, 50.
Yes, sir. Because of
Page
the
number
That's
50.
50.
activity.
50. Okay. Okay, I'll solve it. Okay, just I'll solve it for you. See, what are the factors of D na? Was
27.
27. So first is always 1
27.
into 27. Then 2 के
1
table
and
में आएगा.
20.
3 के table में आएगा. 3 9s are 27.
3 9 is 27.
Then any other number
Nine.
that
Then 9.
9
Stop
is
here.
27.
Nine.
Stop here.
So factors are 1, 3,
1 3
9.
27.
And 27. Yes.
Multiply by 1.
Yeah. For the boys, it was 36. So what it is? 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12,
3
4
into
into
12, 4 into 9, and 6 into
9.
6.
6 into 6, then 9 into 4. Okay. I don't
That's
think number
stop.
is getting repeated.
Stop.
Okay. Ready for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. If boys will win, then you have to come to school on 16th. If girls win, then they have to come to school on next day. Okay. Be ready for the question. 18 and 21. Let's go. It should be completed.
Girls is 21 and boys is 18.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
These are the age criteria for getting married. 18 and 21. 1, 2, 3. It should be solved before 10 counts. 5, 6. I have not got any answer. 7, 7.5, 8, 9, 9:15, 9:20. Yeah, good. Very good. Who was that boy? Avdut.
Sir, 920. Sir, 9.
Avdut, है ना? Avdut? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Avdut gave the answer. Boys again won it. Okay, so all of
Yes.
you 16th. मजाक कर रहा हूँ, पता चला पेरेंट्स को सही बोलोगे, सर ने बोला था आ जाओगे. आना नहीं है आपको. Good. Enjoyed the competition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now see, the next question is you need to see next question number 2. First five multiples of the numbers.
Five.
That is the number 5.
5.
5. मैंने जब भी बोला multiples का नाम आएगा तो क्या करना है उसमें? 5 ones are 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4.
So 5, 5, 2s are 10, 5, 3s are 15, 5, 4s are 20, 5, 5s are 25,
Very good.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Got it? Similarly, in the
Yes,
case of
sir.
8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16,
8, 16,
8 threes are
8, 16, 24, 32, and 40.
40. Great.
40.
Any doubt till here? Anyone? Shashvi, Avdut, Ryan, Ansh,
Sir, clear.
Chahat. Any doubt, beta? What is this? I'm not getting it. You need to put water in your bottle. What do you want?
No doubt, sir.
Okay.
Sir, which page number is going?
It's 50.
50.
Okay. Next question. Now it is a competition between the boys and girls. Okay. अगर मैं बॉय लिखता हूँ यहाँ पे तो ओनली बॉयज विल आंसर. अगर कोई लड़की ने गलती से भी आंसर किया गर्ल्स ने तो पॉइंट कट जाएंगे. एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज फॉर 10 मार्क्स. एंड चैट बॉक्स में आंसर देना है आपको. चैट बॉक्स में. ओके. Understood the competition conditions?
Sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
one more condition. Boy's name should appear from with the name with the color blue. अगर मैं यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर देता हूँ बॉय, तभी आपको आंसर देना है. अगर मैं गलती से ब्लैक वाला यूज करता है तो आपको आंसर नहीं देना है. ठीक है, आपको शांत रहना है.
तो गर्ल्स को देंगे.
Yeah, then
गर्ल्स को देंगे.
girls will answer. Okay. Any other color, it will be girls. If it is blue, then it is boys. Ready? Ready for the competition?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Alpha, beta, Charlie. Okay. It's, yeah. Multiple of 70. Let's go. Identify the color. It is for whom? Just a minute. Huh? Yeah. Come on.
35.
Beta,
कम
only
है.
it is for girls. I already said. अगर कलर में चेंज हो ब्लू कलर है तभी बॉयज आंसर करेंगे. What is multiple?
35.
Multiple of 70.
35.
35.
So it is 35.
Girls got 10 points. Boys got minus 10 points. Because Ran answered it. Okay. सबको ताज होटल में खाना में तब से आज शाम में. Now next question. Be ready. Next question. Factor of 50. किसके लिए क्वेश्चन है पहले सोचो. If boys doesn't answer, then girls be ready. Till 5 counts, I'm counting. Okay. अगर आपका answer
25.
25.
Sir, 25.
Okay. Good. Girls. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sir, 8.
5.
8 multiple of 8.
8.
Okay. Good. 10 points. For boy. Now again.
गर्ल्स.
20.
25.
20.
7. Multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. 7 1 to 7. 7 to the 14. Identified.
Sir, 35.
35.
Okay. Fish crowd.
Sir, with
Okay. Good. So
Sir,
boys.
Vibhuti Chawla has answer. She
Girls
is
for the
girl,
rest.
but she has answer.
The question was for girls only.
Yeah, girls for it was all the girls. Okay. 35 is a multiple of 7. Okay, 15. Now factor of 30.
So the factor of 30 is 15.
Now see, 16 comes under where? 7 or 8 or 20, 50. Any? It is
So 8.
20. 20
come.
20 is a factor of
20. Factor of 20.
and factor of 50 is 25. Okay. मेरा क्वेश्चन है minus 8 is given. Imagine. Okay, it is a factor of minus 8 or 8.
So minus 8.
Minus
8.
बेटा क्यों? Imagine it is a mother. It is a one boy and one girl. ये दोनों बच्चे तो इन्हीं के हैं ना. So minus 8 when it is multiplied by 1, it is minus 8. And 8 multiplied by 1 is also only also 8. So both are the factors of that. Okay. Next question. Ready?
Yes.
Please don't ask me the permission for annotation. Question number 4. Read out the question number 4.
Find all the multiples of
And all the multiples up to 9 up to 100.
All the multiples.
Means 9 के multiples निकालना है multiplication table. कब तक? कौन से नंबर के पहले तक?
100.
9 1s are 9. 100 के नीचे 9 2s are
18.
9.
27.
9 is 27, 9 times are 36, 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 55, 9 7 are 56,
54.
54, 9 7 are
63.
63.
9 8 are
72, and 9 9 are 81,
9 10s are 90.
9 11s are
99.
99. Should I go 9 12s are?
No, sir.
No,
No, because
sir.
9 is 108.
Only they said because they said only they want the number above 100.
Up to 100.
200. Below 100. Okay. Now, last topic I left in that part.
Prime and composite numbers.
Perfect number. Perfect number. Take out the factors of 28.
28.
Sir, in the chat box.
Yeah, in the chat box. Yeah, okay, okay, Zara, very good, very good. Come on, boy, come on, boy. Come on, boys, come on. Yeah, I'm waiting for your answers. Yeah, good, good, Tanmay, good, Sashvi, good, Sanskar. Okay. 1, 4, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. इन सभी नंबर ऐड करो कितना होगा 1 + 2 + 4 + 7 + 14 + 80 28 को ऐड करो कितना होगा बताओ मुझे
1 + 4 + 7 + 14 + 28. Sir, answer is 54.
नो इट्स रॉन्ग आपसे लंबरगिनी वापस छीनते हैं
56, 6, 6,
56 very good 56 can you see the number 28 was the number and when you first you did in the first step what you did in the first step you took out the factors को लेने के बाद step 2 में क्या किया आपने उनको ऐड किए and ऐड करने के बाद आपको नंबर मिला 56 so 28
का डबल
28 का डबल कितना 56 any number जिसमें उसके factors को मैं ऐड करूं which is equal to twice of that number जैसे 28 है इसके मैंने फैक्टर्स निकाला उनको ऐड किया सम किया एंड आई एम गेटिंग द डबल ऑफ दैट नंबर ऐसे नंबर्स को हम लोग परफेक्ट नंबर बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम ऐसे नंबर्स को
perfect number.
Perfect number.
6 के फैक्टर्स टेल मी द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 come on 1
1, 2, 3,
3
6.
1 2 3
Sir,
6.
6 भी perfect
Six.
number है.
फैक्टर्स
6 भी
निकालो ऐड करो
perfect
ऐड करो उनको ऐड करो देखो कितना आता है
Sir,
12.
is it a perfect number
yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
okay
sir.
for the boys the number is 28 sorry it is not 28 it is 36 and for the girls the number is 42 let's go the count it should be over before 10 counts 1 2 you need to only tell me it is a perfect number or not 3 4 4.5
Can
5
you repeat the answer? 9. Sir, answer is 9.
no 8 I asked you it is a perfect number or not I want that answer
Sir, can you repeat?
yeah
Can
Sir,
you
it
repeat
is
the
perfect number.
you need to identify which number is perfect number 36 or 42 for the boys it is 36 for the girls it is 42 number okay 8
Sir, 28 is a perfect number. Sir, it is not perfect number.
yeah boys said the correct answer girls
Yes, sir, it is not.
35 is not a perfect number. The 42 is a perfect number.
are you sure
42 is.
Sir, 36 is not a perfect number.
Sir, 36
Sir,
double is
32
72.
is not a perfect number.
Because 36
Sir,
double is
perfect number is
72.
42.
And when we add all the numbers, it's 64.
Sir, perfect number.
okay wait Now just I want to add these numbers.
No, sir, it's not a perfect number.
42 is not a perfect number. Yeah. Any doubt till here in exercise number 1?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
No.
No.
Okay. Let's go for another competition. Okay.
Yes.
Who is having dogs? Who are having pets at home? Any dog or any cat?
Yes, sir, I have.
Sir, I have
2 dogs.
dog Labra.
Yeah. Okay. So those who are having the pets,
I have
Her name
German Shepherd. So I
Yeah.
have German Shepherd.
but I am having Rottweiler. Okay. So let's have a competition. Those who are having pets and those who are not having the pets. Let's see. See, I'm giving a number to you. I'll tell you about the definition about that number. Okay. After that, you need to tell me the answers of that question. See. 1 को मत करो अभी कुछ 1 के बारे में बाद में बताऊंगा. See 2. Tell me the factor of 2. What is the factor of 2?
1 and 2.
1 and 2 only.
1 and 2.
Sir, what is prime number?
3.
I mean 2.
3,
3 is also prime.
1
1
and
Sir,
3.
1, 2, 3.
5.
5 is also
1
prime.
and 5.
1 and
it's a
5.
prime number.
7. 1 into
1 and 7.
7.
prime number.
Okay.
1 and
बस.
7.
ऐसा कोई भी नंबर है, अगर ऐसा कोई भी नंबर है जिसका फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 और वो नंबर खुद है, मींस द नंबर
Called a prime number.
whose only
Number.
factor are 1 and the number itself is called as prime number. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And 1 is
Those who are having pets,
neither prime.
those who are having pets, the question is for you. 36, 7 is a prime number or not? And those who are not having the pets, you are having question like 57 is a prime number or not?
What, sir?
Those who are having pets will identify that 37 is a prime number or not.
57 is not prime number.
Not a
Prime number.
Sir, 37 is
57 is not a prime number, sir.
Yeah.
7 is a prime number.
37.
Sir, 57 is not a prime
Sir, 57 is not a prime number.
So it's a prime number.
I want 37. 37.
Number.
prime number. 37
It's a prime number.
sir.
Good. Okay. Any doubt till here?
Sir, 37 is a prime number.
Okay. Now,
So
those
37
numbers having factors more than 2. Okay. See, I'm giving a number 25. सबसे पहला factor क्या आएगा 25 का 1 into
1
1
into
into 25.
and
So 1 into
5
25.
into 5.
5 into
525.
Composite है. Composite.
whenever अगर दो factors से ज्यादा अगर उसके factors आ रहे हैं, if number is having more than 2 factors, then that factors are called as composite factors. Then it is called as.
composite factor.
तो 57 हमारा prime number है कि composite ये number है?
Composite.
Composite.
Number.
Composite number.
Any doubt till here बेटा?
Prime number. No, sir.
पक्का?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. See, all the encircled number will be prime numbers and all the cross number are composite number. This method was given by Steve of Eratosthenes. He gave that theory. He took the number from 1
Yes,
to
sir.
100, and those who were composite
read this in
circled it, and those who were the number prime numbers he crossed it. Okay, so you are having a task today. Identify the prime numbers and composite number from 101 to 200.
Sir, I have marked out all.
101 to 200.
Now,
Sir,
yes, beta.
nothing, sir.
Sir, I have marked out every number. that grid in that box every
Very
number
good.
till 100.
Very good, beta. Very good. See, if you observe number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
7.
They are odd numbers.
Odd numbers बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं ऐसे numbers को?
Odd.
Odd numbers.
And in the
Which come in the table of 2, they are even numbers.
8.
The numbers that
Even
be
number.
divided.
So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are the even numbers.
Okay. Always remember.
Actually, even numbers can come in a.
So the multiple of 2 are the even numbers.
Yeah.
Odd number.
Yeah. 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Remember, 2 is the smallest.
Prime number which is
Prime number which is even.
even.
Every prime number except 2 is odd. This is one of the most important points. 2 is an even number, and all the other numbers except 2 are odd numbers. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
every odd number are the prime numbers.
Okay. I'll put the recording in the YouTube. I'll put the recording in the YouTube. If you are having any doubt, you can message me or you can message me or call me. And one more thing, I've gave you the email ID. I'll send the mail ID again in the group. You need to submit your
You
classwork in that mail ID.
Share your phone
Okay,
number.
sir.
send the recording of Saturday.
Yeah,
Sir, also of yesterday.
it is there in the
Excuse
it is
me,
there in
sir?
my mail. It is there in the YouTube channel, beta. I'll put the link. Don't worry. Yeah, beta.
Sir,
Excuse
how
me,
we
sir?
can find composite number?
क्या डाउट है बेटा आपको?
How we can find prime and composite number?
I'm not able to get you. What is that?
Sir, he is asking how we
Sir,
will
he
find
is asking
prime
how
and
will we
composite
find
numbers.
if a number is prime or composite?
Okay. Should I explain you tomorrow or now? Because I'll be having next class.
Sir, you will upload the link on
Sir,
Enter.
tomorrow.
Yeah,
So tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Sanidhya, I'll put the link also of YouTube. YouTube. Okay, you can see from there also. You can revise whatever we studied today. So you get
What,
an
sir?
idea. I'll upload the link in the WhatsApp group of 6A for maths. There you can see and you will get the idea what is prime number and composite number. And tomorrow also I'll explain you. Okay. Thank you. Just give me a thumbs up.
Sir,
If
but
you-
I didn't ask you that question. I understood clearly.
Okay. Thank you.
was asking.
Yeah, Arnav.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Arnav.
Thank you.
Sir.
Sir.
Bye, sir.
बेटा गुड नाइट. बाय बाय.
Good night, sir.
Sir, good night.
अभी दिखना ही नहीं आप लोग क्लास में. बाय बाय. चलो. बाय बाय.
Bye.
Which is your next class, Zara?
Sir, science.
Okay. All the best.
Thank
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.